Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Muhammad, and today in this video we will learn very basic Amharic words start with the letter mu. The second letter of the ma family. Alright, we already learned words start with this letter ma, and today we're learning words start with mu. Alright, so stay tuned and don't forget to say after me. Repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice along with me. Also, don't forget to like my YouTube video to support me. Alright, so the first word is mukat. Mukat. Mukat means heat or warmth. ዛሬ ሙቀቱ ኃይለኛ ሆኗል። ዛሬ ሙቀቱ ኃይለኛ ሆኗል። ዛሬ ሙቀቱ ኃይለኛ ሆኗል። The heat is intense today. This is about weather. ሙሽራው 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 means the groom. ሙሽራውና ሙሽሪት ዛሬ ይመጣሉ። ሙሽራው እና ሙሽሪት ዛሬ ይመጣሉ። The groom and the bride are coming today. ሙሉ ሙሉ በሙሉ ሙሉ በሙሉ ሙሉ በሙሉ completely or entirely ማለት ነው። በጣም በሚያሳዝን ሁኔታ አገሪቱ ሙሉ በሙሉ ወድማለች። በጣም በሚያሳዝን ሁኔታ አገሪቱ ሙሉ በሙሉ ወድማለች። በጣም በሚያሳዝን ሁኔታ means very sadly the country is completely destroyed. አገሪቱ ሙሉ በሙሉ ወድማለች። ሙሉ በሙሉ means completely. አራተኛ ሙያ ሙያ means profession skill. እሷ ጥሩ ሙያ አላት። እሷ ጥሩ ሙያ አላት። እሷ ጥሩ ሙያ አላት. She has a good profession or skill on something. ሙከራ 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 test attempt trial or experiment. ገና ሙከራ ላይ ነን። ገና ሙከራ ላይ ነን። ሆኖም ግን ሙከራው የሚሳካ አይመስለኝም። ገና ሙከራ ላይ ነን። ሆኖም ግን ሙከራው የሚሳካ አይመስለኝም. We are still in the testing phase. However, I don't think the attempt will succeed. ስድስተኛ ሙዝ 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 ባናና። አንድ ኪሎ ሙዝ ስንት ብር ነው? አንድ ኪሎ ሙዝ ስንት ብር ነው? አንድ ኪሎ ሙዝ ስንት ብር ነው? How much is 1 kilo of bananas? ሰባተኛ ሙግት ሙግት means argument, debate or dispute. እኔ ሙግት አልፈልግም። እኔ ሙግት አልፈልግም። እኔ ሙግት አልፈልግም. I don't want an argument. ስምንተኛ ሙጭጭ አለ ሙጭጭ አለ means to stick firmly, to stick with something like a child. ልጁ የእናቱን እጅ ይዞ ሙጭጭ አለ። ልጁ የእናቱን እጅ ይዞ ሙጭጭ አለ። ልጁ የእናቱን እጅ ይዞ ሙጭጭ አለ. The child held his mother's hand tightly, or the child stick with his mother's hand. ዘጠነኛ ሙሽሪት means the bride. ሙሽሪት ዛሬ በጣም ደስተኛ ትመስላለች። ሙሽሪት ዛሬ በጣም ደስተኛ ትመስላለች። The bride seems very happy today. አስረኛና the last one የመጨረሻው ሙጫ means a glue, adhesive. Let me show you what mucha is with an image on Google. Mucha, this is what we call mucha. You see, we extract it from a tree. ሙጫ ወረቀቶቹን በሙጫ አጣብቅ። ወረቀቶቹን በሙጫ አጣብቅ። Stick the papers with glue. It is not human made, by the way. This one is a natural adhesive. So this is for today. ሌሎች በሙ የሚጀምሩ የምታውቋቸው ቃላት ካሉ በኮመንት ላይ አሳውቁን or አሳውቁኝ. If you know more words start with mu, let me know in the comment section. Let us know in the comment. So this is it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more Amharic learning videos like this one. And you can also visit my website easyamharic.com to get more Amharic learning lessons for free.